When you think of banking, you picture glass towers, digital vaults, and endless spreadsheets. Okay, but what if I told you the roots of our entire financial system, are buried in the sands of ancient temples? That before there were dollars or credit cards, there were priests lending grain and warriors keeping gold safe across continents. This is the hidden story of how the world learned to trust money and how that trust shaped civilization itself. It starts in Mesopotamia. Around 2000 BCE, farmers brought their grain to temples, the safest buildings they knew. Those temples didn't just guard the grain. They lent it out, tracked repayments on clay tablets, humanity's first ledgers. Banking was born, not from greed, but from trust. By 600 BCE, the Greeks refined it with coins and money changers, who became the first private bankers. Then the Romans scaled it into an empire-wide network using paper promises that could move money without moving gold. For the first time, money wasn't just metal, it was belief, recorded and shared. After Rome fell, Europe was chaos. Roads were dangerous, and gold was a target. Then came an unlikely savior, the Knights Templar. Pilgrims could deposit gold in London and withdraw it safely in Jerusalem, using a coded letter of credit. It was the first international banking networks, trusted and borderless. The Templars used faith, secrecy, and discipline to invent what we now call financial infrastructure. They weren't just warriors, they were guardians of trust. The Renaissance turned money into an art form. In 1397, Giovanni di Bicci de' Medici founded a bank that would fund the rebirth of Europe itself. Their genius wasn't luck, it was innovation. They separated each branch as its own entity to contain risk, the first financial firewall. And they mastered double-entry bookkeeping. It's a system that still runs every business on earth. Their influence stretched from art to politics, funding Michelangelo, Da Vinci, even shaping PayPal elections. The Medici proved that money, when guided by intellect and vision, could literally change history. By the 1600s, the world's economy exploded. Trade, ships, and money crossed oceans. In 1609, the Bank of Amsterdam was born, the first true central bank. Merchants could trade messy coins for a stable, trusted currency, the bank guilder. Then came a controversial breakthrough: fractional reserve banking. Goldsmiths in London realized people rarely withdrew all their gold, so they lent more than they had. They created money from promises, and it worked, but it also planted a seed of danger: the risk of trust collapsing overnight. Tension still defines banking today. In the US, banking was chaos: thousands of banks, each printing their own money. The panic of 1907 nearly destroyed the economy until one man, J.P. Morgan, stepped in to save it. That crisis led to a secret meeting on Jekyll Island, where bankers and politicians designed the Federal Reserve. Became the heart of America's money system, a lender of last resort, a guardian of stability. From clay tablets to the Fed, humanity's pursuit of trust had come full circle. Banking isn't just numbers or profit. It's the story of trust between strangers across centuries. From priests lending grain, to knights carrying letters, to families shaping empires. Every step was humanity learning how to believe in something it couldn't see. And now, as we face digital currencies and decentralized finance, writing the next chapter, the same question remains: who do you trust with your future? If this journey through the past opened your eyes to the hidden story of money, hit that subscribe button. Tell me in the comments, what do you think the next chapter of banking will look like? This is Reese from Powerful Individual saying thanks for watching.